Hello everyone. I hope you all are good and practicing belly dance steps with me. So today I am back with the new tutorial of belly dance where we are going to learn a new move of belly dance, that is shimmies. Shimmies are very famous and common move of belly dance. Today we are going to learn shimmies. What is shimmies? Have a look. So this is shimmies. We are going to learn this step today. So get ready and practice with me. So for shimmies, first belly dance posture, bending my knees down, hands besides your body. You can move your arms. You can add your variations like this. You can wave your arms, 1, 2, or you can just go up. Okay, so you can add variations of arms in it. So let's learn Egyptian shimmies today. Bending my knees down. So it's the momentum coming from my knees. It's not coming from my hips. It's momentum coming from my knees. I am going to do my knees up and down like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So it's like shaking my knees. I am shaking my knees up and down. So it's continuously you have to do this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. So like my knees are moving up and down continuously. So my hip is responding to them knees. My hip is responding to the knees. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So Egyptian shimmies is coming from my knees and my hips are going to respond my knees. So automatically my hips are also going to move when I move my knees. So like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Move your knees up and down, then your hips are also going to move. So this is, you have to try first slowly, then increase your speed and it will automatically come to your hips. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So I am moving my knees. I hope you understand the right technique of doing shimmies. Let's practice one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then increase your speed. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then again speed up. So my hips are moving up and down. When my knees move, my hips are going to respond to my knees and my hips also going to move. So that is Egyptian shimmies. Let's try it on music. Yes, we are done for the day and I hope you understand how to do shimmies. Just remember one thing, you should move your knees up and down. Practice this before doing shimmies and you should bend your knees down, then hip down, hands to the side, and when you move your knees, your hips also going to move. So this is Egyptian shimmies. Practice this and then try to speed it up. Okay, then thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos of belly dance. Thank you. Bye bye.